Hello friends, welcome to JavaScript tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the how to get access of HTML elements using JavaScript. There are several ways by which we can get access of the elements of HTML, but there are mainly three methods. In first method, every HTML element is associated with some address. This address is called DOM address. Here DOM is Document Object Model. Document Object Model is a set of platform independent and language neutral application program interface which describes how to access and manipulate the information stored in HTML, XML and JavaScript documents. Here this is the simple syntax of how to get HTML element access through JavaScript. Here first is document, which is at the top of structure of DOM. Then forms, which is array. Document has collection of forms and elements. By this forms array we can access particular form in HTML page, and from this elements array we can get access of that particular element from that particular form. Let's see the example. This is the example of how to get access of elements of form. Here we have form which contains attribute name and its value is form1. Here this is input tag which type is text, name is fname and here id is fid. In this button tag, here we have used onClick event. It means whenever we will click this button, it will call f1 function of JavaScript. Here this is our f1 function. Here variable f get the value of 0th element of 0th form. It means we have here only one form, so here 0th form is our form 1 and 0th element is this fname input type. So whatever we will write in this text box, that text directly goes to this variable f and then we will display that text in alert box. Let's see the output. Here I am going to write test program and now I am going to click this button. So here this is the same text as I have written in input box. Okay. Now second method, we can use name attribute in order to access the desired element. First document, then dot name of form, then dot name of element. Let's see the example. So this is the example. Here this is the same form as we have seen in our previous tutorial. Form name is form1 and this input box name is fname, and whenever we will click this button, f1 function will be called. Here this is f1 function and this is the method which shows how to get this text from input text and store it into our f variable. Document dot name of form is form1, then dot name of input tag is fname and then its value, and then we will show this text in our alert box. Let's see the output. Here I am going to write something testing and click on the button. Yeah, This is the same text. Okay. Now let's see our third method. We can access the desired element from the web document using JavaScript method getElementById. This is the simple syntax: document dot method name getElementById, and in parameter we should write ID name of that particular element. Let's see the example. This is the example, and here this is the same form as we have seen in our previous example. Here input type text box contains ID and its value is FID, and whenever we will click on this button it will called function F1. Here document dot method name our JavaScript method getElementById, and here we have passed FID, the ID name of our input text, as parameter. To get the text from this input box we should use dot value. So this text will store in this variable f, and we will show this text in our alert box. Let's see the output. Now I am going to click this button. Yeah, it's working fine.